If you're seeing Facebook error code 2, don't worry. This usually points to a network problem or a temporary server issue, and in most cases, it's something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest steps to get Facebook working again without needing any advanced troubleshooting. And if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, the most common reason for error code 2 is a weak or unstable internet connection. So before you do anything else, check whether your Wi-Fi is working properly. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. If you're on mobile data, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. Sometimes Facebook just needs a fresh, stable connection to load correctly. You can also test another app or open a website in your browser to make sure the internet itself is actually working. If your connection seems fine, but Facebook still shows the error, the next step is to completely close the app and open it again. Don't just leave it in the background. Swipe it away from your recent apps so it fully shuts down. Then reopen Facebook and see if the error is gone. This simple refresh often clears temporary glitches that cause login or loading problems. If that doesn't fix it, try logging out of your Facebook account and signing back in. This can help reset your session and clear out any temporary account issues that may be triggering error code 2. Once you log back in, give the app a moment to load and check whether everything is working normally again. If you use Facebook on more than one device, it can also help to sign out on the other device and then sign back in on the one you're using right now. In many cases, one of these 3 steps will solve the problem: checking your internet connection, restarting the app, or logging out and back in. Since error code 2 is often temporary, the fix is usually quick and straightforward. If Facebook is still not working after trying all of this, wait a little while and try again later, because the issue may be on Facebook's side rather than yours. So to recap, first check your internet connection, then close and reopen the Facebook app, and finally log out and log back in. These simple steps solve most Facebook error code 2 issues fast. If this video helped, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Facebook troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.